Hey dear colleagues, you have heard about our brand new offering here at Magne Education, the live patient courses. And we will focus on veneer cases. So you will be able to come here with one of your patients that need veneers, and you will be able to perform this under the supervision of our amazing faculty, Dr. Mehrdad Raz, Dr. Jennifer Haddad, and Beverly Hills Dental Lab, and Sam Alawie for the laboratory steps. So we will allow you to access this course only if you have already taken our ultimate veneer hands-on courses with us. That will give you access to the patient live course. So I hope you take this opportunity to join us. Get prepared. The hands-on course will prepare you perfectly for the live patient experience. Don't miss that opportunity.